Do you know what I've learned from living in Africa? It's that African women are very unpredictable. And by African women, I mean my mom. Yes, my mom. One day I was sleeping and she came into my room and she was like, Jemima, our house is dirty. We need to clean it. We being me and her. So I got up and I started to mop, wash dishes. I did everything. I cleaned it. Later I went to school. I came home. I did my homework, everything. And then it was around 8 o'clock. I went, I sat down and I started watching TV. And then she comes and she grabs the remote out of my hand and she says, this is my TV in my house, which means I can watch what I want to watch when I want to watch. I was like, what? But I wanted to watch it. No, it's my TV and my remote. And I was like, huh? But this morning you said it was our house. We need to do things together. No, when you pay bills, you can do what you want. And that is when I learned that living in Africa is no joke. And these women, they are very unpredictable. Hi guys, this is Jemima KK. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. I'll read all your comments. Thank you. Mwah. Stay blessed.